If you want to highlight an important post on X, formerly Twitter, one of the easiest things you can do is pin a tweet to your profile. This is a great way to showcase an announcement, a thread, a promotion, a portfolio post, or any message you want new visitors to see first. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to pin a tweet on X.com or Twitter quickly and easily. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, open X.com or the Twitter app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Profile. This will take you directly to your profile page, where all of your posts and reposts are listed. Now scroll through your profile and find the post or repost that you want to pin. This could be your latest update, a pinned announcement, or any tweet that represents your profile best. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right one, because this is the post that will stay featured at the top of your profile until you change it. Once you've found the tweet, look to the top right corner of that post and click the three-dot icon, also known as the More menu. This menu gives you access to additional options for that tweet. From the list that appears, click Pin to your profile. X will then ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and select Pin to finalize it. And that's it. Your tweet is now pinned to the top of your profile, making it one of the first things people will see when they visit your page. If you ever want to change it later, you can repeat the same steps and replace it with a different post. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.